Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW i3 service light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip reset button on your instrument cluster. You will need to press and hold this button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds until a service item appears on the display. This initial step is crucial for accessing the service menu. Once a service item appears, release the trip reset button and then quickly press and hold it again. This action will allow you to cycle through the various service items, such as engine oil, front brakes, or rear brakes. Continue pressing and holding until the specific service item you wish to reset is displayed on your screen. Be patient, as it might take a few presses to get to the correct one. When the desired service item is shown, release the button and then press and hold it one more time. The display should then change to show reset or a similar confirmation prompt. To confirm and initiate the reset, release the button and immediately press and hold it for a final time. Keep holding until the reset process is complete and the new service interval is displayed, usually with a check mark. After the reset is confirmed and the new interval is shown, you can turn off your vehicle's ignition. This step saves the changes you've made. When you restart your BMW i3, the service light for that specific item should no longer be illuminated. If you have multiple service lights on, simply repeat these steps for each individual service item until all are cleared. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.